So hi friends, welcome to Technical Skills Linux. So in this video I'm going to show how to find the domains with AWS. So here you can see that is my domain and that I purchased from GoDaddy. So now I'm going to find this domain in AWS instance. So here I'm use the server is AWS ec2 and that server install NGINX web server. Okay, so now let's start for doing the server setup. So you can see here that domain is still now not found anywhere, so it's really unpoint. So that's why it's showing that GoDaddy default phase. Okay, now you can see that is my AWS account. Here is not any server running at the moment. Now just launch the server. So type the server name. So server name is as for the application, and now I choose the operating system. So now I'm choose free operating system here, Ubuntu 24.20.04 LTS version. Now choose the instance type. So by default I'm choose the free instance Myco. Now I'm create the login SSH login key. Now choose PPK because I'm going to connect the footy, that's why I select the PPK. Here is I'm just allow the two sites, that HTTP and HTTPS, that is to allow the firewall. And now I'm select the storage. I'm 25 GB storage at the moment. So if in future need require, so then we upgrade. So now it's my configure is ready. Now I'm just launch. So at the moment, so we are wait 2 or 3 minutes for server running. Okay. So you can see over here that is my Docker steps is one is running, another that's one is terminated, but that's one is running states. Okay, and check the status in slides for within 5 or 7 minutes. Okay, so at the moment we wait for 5 minutes for server setup. Okay. So now I have already logged in. So this is my GoDaddy account. So over here, so you can see that is my two domains. Another is that is my blank image. So now this domain, so I want to point to this server, and this is also live server. And here this I am use the web applications with NGINX. So now over here you can see that my instance is ready to configure or connected. That's already checked the status. Already two check status already passed. Now I'm going to connect. So here is you can connect over the putty, or you can connect over the browser. So now I'm connect the browser. So you can see over here that my server is connected. So now I'm check the server version. So over here you can see that is 20.04 LTS Ubuntu versions. Okay, now I copy the IP, it's public IP, and just paste what exactly is going over here. So that is my public IP on server. That right now is no applications, no web application installed at the moment. So now I'm going to install. Before install, now the web server. So I am going to enter root. So I have just upgrade the Ubuntu all default all dependency dependency on security. You can see over here that Ubuntu is updating now. Updating complete. So now install NGINX. Over here we are that's for we are used in these applications NGINX. So we install NGINX full. So it means full means the all NGINX dependency also install at this command. Sorry, one second, I connect. Okay, now I enter the root. Now I check that status NGINX service, can see it's running. NGINX service is running. Okay, so now I'm once again I'm going to my public IP and refresh the page. You can see that is NGINX IP. Okay, so that's all. Now I'm going to install over here. It's PHP. Okay, so PHP. So I install PHP 7.4. we use at the moment PHP 7.4 for the this application. So this my project we need to PHP, so that's why I install the PHP. This PHP is installed. Now I'm see that PHP is 7.4 at the moment. So now I'm just okay, so all the firmware is installed. It means NGINX is configured. Okay, so now I'm because okay so Apache, here is two files, one is NGINX, another is Apache. So I am remove the Apache file, apache.index default file. Okay, so now is NGINX coming. Okay, now I point this server my domain, so they over here. Okay, so now I go to the GoDaddy over here, and that is open the DNS. And just edit and just name and value over here. I just put the public IP for the domain pointing. Domain is point. Another a record I will use for a record over here www and same IP and 1.5. Or you can use custom. So I am use custom. So www also allow at the moment. Okay, IP is good 30. Okay. Okay, this already exists, so no need at the moment www. You can use over here cname www and the show domain is that, and custom over here 600. The valid name, this means okay. First of all, is you can see that is point or not. No, still now is not pointing. So at the moment we are wait for the some time for DNS pointing. DNS progress is some time for update. Okay. So once again going to the DNS. So over here you can see cname is already added for the by default. Okay, so that's why before I add that cname, so that's why I get an error. Okay, so now I have already domain, that's IP is point this domain. So now wait for some time for DNS, so you can check for DNS over here, DNS status. Over here lot of tools, over here you can check for DNS progression, so I use from this tool over here. Okay, that is pointing, but India also point, now it's pointing. So now I go hit at the moment it's some time. So over here you can see GTmetrix. GTmetrix also check the DNS. Okay, so over here you can check, test the status the server is point or not. Okay, so I have a load sorting. So you can see my DNS is pointing at the moment, so you need to clear the cache in my browser, so that's why it's not showing. Okay, so now over here I'm install the php-fpm, or you can now I'm use SSL. Okay, so in this video I'm three step. First of all, I configure the server and point the DNS and install the free SSL. So free SSL we are use for free SSL Cerbot. Here we have now select the applications in NGINX and we select the Ubuntu version over here. It's very easy to install. Just run the this command step by step. That's why install run this command for free SSL from Cerbot. Okay, so now next commands I use this one and install. Now you can see over here my domain is pointing, and that's you can see welcome NGINX page. Okay, but still now we have unable to install or SSL. So you can see SSL is not pointing at the moment, but I am ready to configure at that, and in this video you can see over here run this command. So now next comment, that's one this one command when I run, so the SSL also installed. Here is one to just require for use for renewal mail address. Okay, I'm just type my mail address for renewal. Yes, I have already agreed all the things. So now I'm type the domain name, so that is my domain name. So I copy over here for my domain, here I paste, and also www dot, okay, this one, and so requesting a certificate for doctor stop. So at the over here you can see installing. Now I hope it's installing. Now I'm just refresh this page. At the moment it's not secure. After refresh, so I hope it's installed the SSL. Let's see. So you can see SSL is installed. It's very easy. So no headache any other things. Okay, so and you can see the here is extra validation. So SSL install on this my domain. So now next step. So first step, my server is configured and server is NGINX installed, and next is that for domain is pointing, and third step is SSL install. Next step, I configure to php-fpm. Okay, so let's start. So for php-fpm, so we have already made the documents. You can use. Now I'm install the php-fpm. At the moment, so we enable to run this command because we check that php install. Okay, this command is installed. Now I'm restart the php-fpm. Check the status. The status is, you can see over here, it's running. So now I am just change some configuration NGINX. So I'm going to NGINX site to available over here. Now I am just default backup. If any mistake after configuration NGINX, so we can revert. That's why I take the backup. So now I am just edit for some parameter over here. Path is same, no issue at the moment. Path is same. So over here mention the info.php and php. Okay, server name no need at the moment. Allow is configured for php-fpm and htaccess allow over here. Here we can see php location and 90 no needs over here. That one is required. That's one also. Now I check the configure it's okay. Now I install restart NGINX and system restart php-fpm service. Now I am going to over here and touch info.php for any fpm file or a php info file. I'm just over here. Now let's try to copy over here. Sorry, info.php. It's downloading. It means now still is not pointing the htaccess. Now I'm going to cd site to available again. So we configure the default change some configuration. This rules already I have configured. Okay, also okay. Okay, now I refresh 1 second, restart the NGINX, and also I restart the php-fpm fpm service. Now I check the php-fpm is installed or not in folder php. So over here you can see that php install is integrated in this application. So now is web application is run for the php-fpm through the NGINX. Okay, so that's all in this video. First of all, in this video we have done three steps. That means first I configure the server, second I point the DNS to our server, and third is I configure the php-fpm, and with fourth is install the free SSL. Okay, so from the Cerbot. So at the moment, so that's all for this video. If this video any help, so then please like and subscribe. Thank you.